Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for that? In this video we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex EZONE 100L. The Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket is designed for players who want a perfect balance of power, control, and comfort in every swing. Crafted from high-quality graphite, this racket delivers excellent stability and responsiveness while maintaining a lightweight frame at just 285 grams, making it easier to handle during long rallies and intense matches. With a 100 square inch head size, the EZONE 100L provides a generous sweet spot, ensuring consistent performance and forgiveness on off-center shots. The 27-inch length gives players extended reach, making it ideal for covering the court with confidence and precision. Whether you are serving, volleying, or hitting from the baseline, this racket supports a versatile playing style for all skill levels. The grip size of 4 1/8 ensures a secure and comfortable hold, allowing players to maintain control during fast-paced play. Yonex's innovative frame design also helps absorb shock and reduce vibration, promoting comfort and minimizing arm fatigue. Perfect for adults seeking a lightweight yet powerful racket, the EZONE 100L is well suited for intermediate players aiming to improve their game, as well as beginners looking for a dependable and forgiving racket to develop their skills. Trusted by players worldwide, Yonex continues to deliver cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship with the EZONE 100L. Whether you are practicing or competing, this racket is built to help you unlock your full potential on the court. Number 2. Babolat Pure Drive 110T. The Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th gen, is engineered to deliver explosive power, precision, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for players of all skill levels. Featuring an oversized 110 square inch head, this racket provides a larger sweet spot for more forgiveness and consistency, ensuring reliable performance on every shot. Its lightweight frame and extended length give you added reach and maneuverability, perfect for both baseline rallies and net play. This racket comes pre-strung with 16G Babolat synthetic gut at mid-range tension, offering a balanced combination of durability, playability, and comfort right out of the box. The strung design allows players to step onto the court immediately without the hassle of restringing. The 4 1/8 inches grip size ensures a secure and comfortable hold, giving you better control and confidence during fast exchanges. Built with Babolat's signature Pure Drive technology, this 10th generation model provides excellent power while incorporating improved vibration dampening for reduced shock and enhanced comfort. Whether you're serving with strength, hitting ground strokes with depth, or volleying with finesse, the Pure Drive 110 adapts to your game with ease. Stylish and performance-driven, the white string edition adds a clean, professional look to this powerhouse racket. Ideal for adults looking for more power and forgiveness, the Babolat Pure Drive 110 continues to be a trusted racket for recreational players and rising competitors alike. Step up your game with a racket that delivers consistent power and playability every match. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket. The Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket is built for players who want to unleash explosive spin, speed, and precision on the court. Designed in collaboration with Rafael Nadal, this racket embodies the aggressive and dynamic style of one of tennis's greatest champions. Weighing just 289 grams, it offers a perfect balance between lightweight maneuverability and powerful stability, giving advanced players the edge they need in high-intensity rallies. Crafted with a premium graphite frame and shaft, the Pure Aero Rafa provides excellent responsiveness and durability while maintaining a comfortable feel. The 100 square inch head ensures a reliable sweet spot, while the aerodynamic beam design enhances racket head speed, making it easier to generate maximum spin on ground strokes and serves. The 4 3/8 inches grip size delivers a secure and comfortable hold, allowing for precise control and confident handling during fast-paced play. Babolat's cutting-edge technologies reduce vibrations for improved comfort while ensuring the racket maintains the crisp, solid feel that competitive players demand. With its bold Rafa-inspired design, this racket doesn't just perform, it makes a statement on the court. Ideal for adult players with an advanced skill level, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen is tailored for those who rely on spin-heavy shots, aggressive baseline play, and quick reactions at the net. Step into the game with the Racket of Champions and elevate your performance with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen, where spin, power, and control meet in perfect harmony. Number 4. Wilson Blade 98. The Wilson Blade 98, 16x19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket is designed for advanced players who demand precision, control, and feel in every shot. With a 98 square inch head size and an open 16x19 string pattern, this racket provides exceptional spin potential and excellent ball pocketing, giving competitive players the tools to dominate from the baseline and at the net. Weighing 305 grams, unstrung, the Blade 98 V9 offers a solid and stable feel while remaining maneuverable enough for fast-paced rallies. Its 27-inch length delivers optimal reach and leverage on serves, while the balanced design enhances shot placement and consistency. Constructed with braided graphite and basalt, the Blade V9 frame blends flexibility with strength, reducing vibrations and providing a smoother, more connected feel to the ball. The 4 3/8 grip size 3, ensures a comfortable and secure hold, giving players confidence and control during intense competition. As part of Wilson's renowned Blade series, the V9 continues to push innovation with its modern design and emphasis on control-oriented performance. Perfect for adult players with advanced skill levels, this racket is particularly suited for aggressive baseline hitters who value accuracy, stability, and spin-friendly play. Unstrung and ready to customize with your preferred strings and tension, the Wilson Blade 98, 16x19 V9 delivers the precision and responsiveness serious players need to elevate their game. Trusted by professionals and rising competitors alike, this racket is built for those who want to play with confidence and authority. Number 5. Head 2022 Speed. The Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is engineered for players who demand a perfect balance of speed, control, and spin. Designed with cutting-edge Graphite 360 Plus technology, this racket combines energy transfer with innovative spiral fiber construction to deliver enhanced flex, a cleaner impact feel, and greater comfort throughout play. Weighing 11.1 ounces, unstrung, the Speed MP offers just the right amount of stability while maintaining the maneuverability needed for quick reactions during fast-paced rallies. Its 100 square inch head size provides a forgiving sweet spot for consistent shot making, while the 27-inch length ensures excellent reach and leverage, making it versatile for both aggressive baseline play and precision network. The 4.5-inch grip size gives players a secure, comfortable hold, helping to maintain control and confidence through long matches. Built with a modern design and sleek frame, this racket not only performs but also stands out with professional appeal. Suitable for players of all skill levels, from ambitious beginners to advanced competitors, the 2022 Speed MP is the racket of choice for those who value versatility on the court. Its balanced mix of power and control makes it an excellent option for well-rounded play styles, whether you prefer big serves, heavy topspin ground strokes, or quick volleys. Trusted by athletes around the world, the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is built to help you perform at your best every match. Step up your game with speed, control, and confidence.